Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I want to show you a pretty cool website where you can find a lot of resources. For those that follow me on Instagram, they saw that I started working on some human heads. Until then, if you're okay with that, I'm going to still post some video with hair ornatrix and ZBrush sculpting. So let's go to the website. The website is called ZbrushGuides. I bought some skin ports that are amazing from this guy Pablo. He has a lot of live stream session on Pixology ZBrush, so it's pretty known artist. So I'm going to post the link in my description. If you go to, obviously you'll find a lot of resources over here, courses, tutorials, etc. But if you go to resource and you go to ZBrush brushes, it's a bit slow and it's not my connection because I know that my internet is pretty good. Anyways, you can find some free brushes. You can go to brush library, but the one I want, these are free. The one I want is this ZBrush SKIN brush pack. So let's click. And then you will have everything you need, even some detail lips, which are pretty cool. Maybe I'm going to use it. And also some example. You can see this Morpheus. This is awesome. And you can see where he used single pores, like in this area, and lip details, this area, wrinkle to the neck. I use it also myself. These skin pores and etc. You can check his website and how it's done, but these are the brushes. So I have bought this one. It's only $10. This video is not sponsored, doesn't matter. The package is pretty awesome. And then if I go to my ZBrush, no, by the way, you download the package and then you can go copy the folder, program file, and then let's find Pixologic, and then ZBrush that you have, you go to ZBrush, and then I rename it skin pores. So I have all the skin over here. If you go to ZBrush, let's bring this head. Let's go a few subdivides. So 3 millions, let's go more to 30 millions. I'm going to go to Lightbox and then brush, and there we go, skin pores. So these two are free from his website, but the rest of them are from that package. And we have the single pore. We can, let's see, focus shift to minus, and let's drag it. I did edit this brush. I'm not sure if it was my problem or from default package, but if you can see here, I have this small error. Maybe it's my fault, I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. Let me show you how you can redress it and correct that. So I have this alpha, and then let's export it. Let's go to desktop and replace this one, and then let's bring Photoshop. I do have Photoshop somewhere. Okay, this one, let's close this one, and let's bring back my alpha, if I found brush alpha. Okay, I know that it's somewhere in the corner, so I know that it's down here for sure, this one. I'm just going to create this one, move it down. We can create a new layer. I'm going to pick this white color and apply this. Ctrl S to save it, and let's bring ZBrush back. Let's bring alpha, and now if we drag it, we'll have this type of brush. To change this one, we just need to go to alpha, modify and increase mid value to 100, and now it's gone. I think that was my mistake, but it doesn't matter. If you have this type of problem, now you know how to correct it, and you can go to alpha and increase the mid value for your new alpha. Also you can use this skin pores. You have more. You can use it like this, or let's create drag rect and manually make beautiful skin pores. If you need, you can create your own custom pores. You can study this one and apply more detail. I do recommend to do that, but for startup are pretty awesome, and I just need to learn which is which because there are so many and they're so cool. I mean, the next one that I'm using is actually this one, so I think I use for the neck, I'm not really sure, but also for the eye area, like this. It's pretty dope. And then I can go to them standard and just increase the line. And for the neck area, I think I used this one. And this one you can drag it like this, but you can play with the intensity. Let's choose another brush, so let's go to this wrinkle. Let's see. Pretty cool. And if I choose this one, the brushing, it will be this direction. So you can use it mixed in with skin pores like this. Maybe too strong. You'll figure out. Okay, and next, the cool thing is that every brush is named accordingly, so you will find the, like this one, the mole one. I love it. So this is like this. Pretty cool detail. Let's go and make one on the nose. Yep. So you'll find all the name and you just need to explore. I don't know exactly what they do. I still need to explore them, but I find them pretty dope. So that's it for now. I hope you find this information useful. If you go to his website, if you scroll down, you can see his package. I did try to buy with Revolut 2 times and gave me some errors, so at the end I used PayPal and worked just fine. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.